Hello my people, I greet you for us from a touchable mama. Host on a day fine. Una do as una tell help me today, share, comment, like. God go bless una for me anywhere una day. I bet this video wanna see help me share. Leave your comments, okay? Share, leave your comments, like the video. Okay, my people, God go bless una, really appreciate. So my people, this video where I carry come today. Now about our brother who you know sir, now I do this video where I go play for una so. Now no say social media is made for many things. If you maybe you do something, the thing good for you, you can still show out to people, or maybe to find many things like that they use social media till they do. So you get one video where they say they fly up and down. Say if you carry all this the recharge bulb wey dey for your hand, so if you put am for some tree, you get the kind tree where you go put am, where you go plug am, that is you go just cut am small, then you go put am for there, the bulb go come dey light. You know, una know say many of it we see am for social media. It's like abeg una dey go, or everything now na dey like they try to dey take dey turn people head, you know. So he can decide say okay, wetin go happen, e no dey cost anything, make e kukuma go buy all this rechargeable bulb wey be say dey in hand, while the other one I go put on our listing. You can go buy two type, because na two type na they use for the video wey be say in see. So I say buy am na, he can really go there, he cut the tree wey be say he see for area, you know. As he cut am, my people, no be lie oh. You see all this bulb wey be say dem go dey really dey put for there. Me, when I see am that time, when I see am for social media, I can say they don cut there comot. Una know say e get way and way wey be say you go take do video, you go come look like say na real, like person go just stand for wall, as e just stand for inside the wall, go just vanish go inside. Una understand all those kind thing. Me sef, me I no believe say na true, okay? When I see that video, now when I see say this our brother go there can't do this video now then let me come say so this thing wey we say we dey see for social media na real, because you know say if you dey like they see many things wey dem dey do, you go come say oh, all this one na just like to make people laugh, to make people say something like this, I beg you don't do, or maybe they look for views, you know, all these things. But this one not be. May I put the video for now? May we watch am together as the bulb tail light. You know, believe your eye. May we watch am.
Yes, my people. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location for the connect with us. My next stream Apostle Alfred Odio Oyinusa.
Yes.
I watched something for Facebook about 2 hours ago. They said tree they produce light. I can say we can't be that, because the man first explain say somebody produce light from tree from one of these African country. Now I say the man say he can't try with different tree, moringa tree, pawpaw tree, till they produce light. I go say na lie. It is not possible. And it can't specify the kind of bulb. It's an energy saver or rechargeable bulb. Now rechargeable bulb now go work. Now I go say me I not believe wetin do they talk. So now I carry myself waka go buy rechargeable bulb, rechargeable bulb and energy saver bulb. Now I look for tree when it there around that area. I don't pee the tree now. I said, okay, make me experiment with it that man talk, if not true. Because you don't say social media that people they come with different things. They say that's where they work. But my guy, oh yeah, we want to check out whether they work. All right. This one are the normal energy saver. This one are energy saver bulb. So you pee the tree. So I don't peel them, yeah. It not work. This one are the rechargeable bulb. Sham, now rechargeable bulb it is. Make a check out. See light oh. Bible Sham oh. This tree produce light. When I sham, can camera call? See, my people not be sham oh. See, this tree they produce light. Sham. This one are rechargeable lamp. So which means once you get tree for your area, go look for rechargeable bulb. Peel lamp, sham. See light. I don't remove am o. Jam. Light dey on. My people na see. You know see. It is real. Jam. So it is real. It is real. I see on down. Jam. 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 My people na see. It is real. So which means we no need to the bathroom again. Just look for tree within your area. Pillar. Go buy the chargeable bulb. Jam. My people, see, look at it. This one is practical. No bit. This is practical. So which means tree where they surround your house can actually produce light. Tree can produce light. No, how light they enter tree? That one a mystery. It's a mystery, and I beg, when where they cut tree, no cut tree again for your house. No cut any tree again for your house. So just go buy so many rechargeable bulb. Don't go buy them. Just the and all these scientists made a quite experimental to see how all our tree will continue to generate light. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
My people.
So my people, now see, Jambo, put that again, Jam. Jana, go on. This is God to create. God to create. Make a secret on that side. When I say so, my boy, I say so. Shall say they on. So we are blessed. God has blessed us, and we'll continue to the experiment. So see whether you're ready, I know they carry the cotton. You understand?
Don't be lie, oh my people. Even me, I not believe before. I say I beg you. All these people, they will just come and they'll say, I saw this one, I saw this one. Una see light, nana. Una see say the bulb, you know fair on. When you just put on, make it just on. Hey, so that our people go call get light too. You know understand? Since our leaders, they no fit put light, they no fit give us light. Now all the tree where be say e dey now, they no go come they cut them. Who not come get light for his house now? You go they track them, they use that one. What I see I dey happy for my people for real because place where light not dey, nothing they good for them, nothing they even they go on for them. Now where light dey, like something they happen. So this thing are just real. I still pray may all these people when they sell all this bulb, make they not go increase the money. Now know the way where our country be now. Once they go down see say something is going on, they will come tell you say the bulb where they sell for 1,000 now 5,000. Una know the way where they take. So my people, help me to share this video for people to see say not be lie. I believe all these people where be say they go school well now make them try to since our leader they not fit do anything, we they try to tell them say more na give us light, they say light it. See natural one now it don't come. Natural one it don't come. So that make them try, make them make them know the way where they will do something. My people, not be lie, not be everything where you just see for social media, you go say na lie, back they go now views they find. No, see now our brother for Benin, now he try now and he light for una see the video where be say he do so na see and say not be lie, because sometimes we go see and say other people now they do and we go say na lie, then they lie. Me I not believe before, when I can see and now I can say so na truth. Una bye bye my people, help me to share this video. Thank you for being here. Do not forget to like this video and share this video, okay? Follow my page, Untouchable Mama Backup page, or Untouchable Mama. Follow me on YouTube, Unto Mama, na me get them. Thank you. One love. Bye.